Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to DIY Craft. This is me with me Elizabeth and Danukrani, and this is my Instagram. And now I wanna tell you, but I cannot speak in English, so I'm trying to learn English, so I make this video. And I like to learn how to do a makeup. I'm not a makeup expert, but I just learning how to do a makeup, so I make this video. And first of all, I'm going to take eyeshadow base. This is eyeshadow gel from Viva. I put it on all over my lid and I set it with Mark's Beauty powder. And this is my face powder, loose powder from Indonesia. This is from Kimia Pharma Medicine Factory, I think. And this is I use the eyeshadow. This is from Beauty Creation palette, Elsa palette, I think. So first of all, I use the brown color from my transition color, and then I use the darker brown color. I think I'm going to contour my eyelid because I'm so hooded, and this is like the very dark brown color. I use it, and I'm not use the circular motion, just left and right motion. And I hope my eyes not look so hooded with this contouring technique that I learned from one of beauty vlogger that I like. And finally, I decided to use the eyeliner brush, I think, to contour my eyes. I use the dark brown color, and then I use very red color for my lid. And then I use the white color to lighten my inner corner, and I think I use the concealer because the eyeshadow is not working perfectly. So I use the concealer from Navi Duo Concealer, and this is it. And then I use the shimmery blue color. Yeah, this is Elsa color, I think. This is blue, is so beautiful. I use it in the concealer, and the color is come out perfectly and looks so beautiful. And I use the purple color. I think this is enough, dark enough for my outer corner, but this is not so dark. So after this, I will use the very dark purple color. Yeah, this is it, dark purple color for my outer corner. And yeah, but this is not so dark and looks so patchy, so I use the red color to make it more darker. I use it in my crease and my outer corner, but it's not working. So I use the black eyeshadow to make it more smoky and hope it can fix the patches. And then I decided to wet my blending brush to make the color more come out. And this is, I use the purple color, but the blending brush is not working perfectly, I think. So after this, I will use another brush. That is the flat brush, I think, from Wet n Wild. And yeah, I'm with that brush too. I use the setting spray to wet my brush. And yeah, I think this works. And I think that brush is working perfectly. And now I'm blending any harsh line on my crease, and then I clean up my eyeshadow with this one, makeup remover, and then I use the concealer for eyeshadow base for my lower eyeshadow, and I use the cotton bud to blend it out. And I use this green eyeshadow from the same palette from Beauty Creation palette. I use this as eyeliner, and then I use the dark red color for my outer corner, lower outer corner. And then I use the eyeliner finally. This is eyeliner from Etude House, a Korean eyeliner, and the brush is so perfectly sharp and it makes me so more easier use the eyeliner. But I cannot use the eyeliner, so it's take me around 30 minutes to apply this eyeliner. Yeah, I must practice this more, I think. Yeah, and this is my final look of eyeliner, I think. And then I forget to show you how to use this use this foundation. This is foundation from Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm blend it out with a brush. This is flat brush from Real Technique, I think. Stippling brush from Real Technique. Yeah, more faster way using a brush than using the beauty blender, I think. And this is not my color. I know this is not my color, but I only has that foundation. And then I use the concealer. This is concealer from L Acre concealer, dark beige, I think. The shade is dark beige, and I use this to contour my face. And I still don't know how to contour my face, so I cannot blending it perfectly, and it's look a lot of patchy, I think. But yeah, I still learning. I know the foundation is not my color, cause I'm too shy to use it my everyday makeup look, so I just use it for video. And this is the concealer. I use it to highlight my face. And I use it in my under eye to fix my under eye problem. But yeah, it's not working perfectly. Yeah, I still has the dark circle right there, but no problem. Now I set my face, I think, with the March Beauty powder. That's my face powder, loose powder, only one loose powder. And this is the lip cream from Emina in the set 3. And voila, this is my final look. Hope you guys like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching me that cannot understand how to do a makeup. So bye bye.